Namaste friends and Jai Hind. In my last video, we spoke about right brain attunement. That is, people who are dominant in their right brain. That means they are dominant with their left hand and we call them as lefties. And the various characteristics of the people who are lefty. Today we are going to talk about the left brain attunement. That is, people who have got a very strong and dominant left brain. That means these are the people who are very dominant with their right hand, because left brain controls the right side of the body and right brain controls the left side of the body. So you must have seen most of the people, they are righty, or we call them as dominantly right. So whatever they do with the right hand. So how are these people? What are their characteristics? The people who are left brain attuned, or we also call them as right dominant hand people. These people are very good at language skills. They can speak, write very well. They can read very well. These people are good at mathematics and numbers. They remember number very naturally. They like science, history sometimes, but yes, they do have affinity to scientific temperament. They've got a very good critical thinking ability. They look at the whole thing, the whole than the part, unlike the lefty who think minutely. The people who are right dominant, they think of the whole. Now, these are the people who like to read. They like dogs a little more than cats. And the people who are right-handed, they do not like to clown around too much. They have got a mixed personality. Sometimes they are fun and sometimes they are really very, very serious. They like a study environment which is silent. They like to concentrate. Maybe they would like some light music going on at the background, a classical music. These people love classical music, unlike the lefties who may love rock. The people who are right-handed or left-attuned have got more powerful left brain. These people prefer to watch action movies, prefer to watch fast movies. They plan their things very well. They are very alert and agile. They are very quick in their thinking process. And we ask them something, they would like to tell you or describe in a story format. They love to tell story, and storytelling is their hobby, and they just love to do that. These people prefer individual counseling. They do not like counseling in front of everybody. So are you a left attuned person or are you a right attuned person? Please see the previous video, the first video, which talks about the people who are left dominant. Here I'm talking about people who are right dominant. And in my next video, friends, I'm going to tell you how you can make both your hands dominant, and hence you improve the neuron function of your brain. You become active, your memory becomes good, you remember things, your energy levels are high from morning to evening, you become a good orator, you are quick, you are alert, you also become an artist, as well as you also become a very good person to debate. So I'm sure you'd love to see the next video where I'm going to tell you about simple exercises which will make your left brain and your right brain both active. Until then, Jai Hind, Namaste.